Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to take a look at how to re-enable all of our plugins in Homebrew after downgrading from 3.73 to 3.60, and you can follow the steps for any custom firmware you were on and downgraded to whatever version you wanted to get on. So last night I had a lot of trouble trying to render this part of the video on the main video of the downgrade video, and initially that video was supposed to be around 25 to 27 minutes, but unfortunately the editing software had issues on rendering a certain part of the video and it kept crashing. So after 7 hours of vigorous researching and trying to fix this issue, I found out that all of the footage that I recorded for the plugin section was corrupted and was unable to render, and thus we're making this video today. So I apologize for that. I'm not trying to double dip anything because I'm really restrained on time here and I'm trying to make everything all in one. And this video is pretty long because we are doing something a little crazy with our systems that potentially can brick it. So one thing I forgot to mention in the downgrade video is you want to go to your settings and go into the Hinkaku settings, and you want to make sure your spoofed version is 3.73. That way you avoid any auto updates to your system and you're not back on 3.73 or anything like that. So just make sure you enable that and you're good to go. In this video I'll show you how to re-enable everything. It's fairly simple, very easy. So after you have the permanent custom firmware, we can go to our Vita shell, open that up, and we're going to be using our FTP client. So let's go to the start button and make sure you're enabled to FTP. Let's go back and press select, and now we're going to go to our desktop here. Alright, once we're connected, we want to go to the URO folder and find that folder we renamed. So that folder we renamed was the previous TIE folder, and please guys, be very careful while you're doing this. You don't want to copy all of the files into your new TIE folder. So the old TIE folder is called please change me, or whatever you renamed it to, right? And here's the new TIE folder from our new custom firmware, and when you look in here you're gonna see all of my plugins already copied because I already did this, and I was hoping that I could show you exactly what I did, but whatever's in this TIE folder, guys, do not copy anything that is similar to the one you renamed. So here is the one I renamed, and we have a config text, the Hinkaku skprx, and config, and also tiehin. Don't copy any of those into your TIE folder because you will mess up your system. You might brick it potentially, so just be very careful. Go one by one and copy all of your plugins, like the no npdrm skprx file, the psv shell, my storage. This storage skprx is my PS Vita adapter, and that holds all of my information. So the adapter plugin is here, and you want to copy all of those storage lines here. And once you get everything copied into the new TIE folder, you want to go into your config.txt document. Let's view and edit. I just copied it onto my desktop here. And you want to copy all of those lines under your kernel if you do have any lines from the other files. So let's take a look here. Please change me. Let's open this one up. And I should have two. There we go. So here's the old one from our previous whoops, what happened there? Man, we're having some technical difficulties. It's been a little crazy in the last 24 hours. So here's the old config text file, and you want to copy everything that relates to any of your plugins, right? Don't copy anything like your Hinkaku or any of those. Just copy what's important, like the storage, the UDCD, the non-PDRM, PSV shell, and other plugins that you installed previously on your other custom firmware. Once you have all the lines in here, you want to file and save. If you don't save it, nothing's gonna go into effect. And we want to go back onto our PS Vita here, and you want to cancel, press start, and reboot your system. Once you reboot your system, you should have everything back up and running and good to go. So if you guys have any questions, please comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.